Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll look at how to implement the average pool in TensorFlow. So if we go into the docs right here, we can see that that's the code that we are going to use, and I've put it right here. We are creating a pooled tensor that is equal to tf.nn.average underscore pool, and this takes in input and kernel size. So for input, here I've created a tensor which is right here tf.constant, and the shape of this tensor is batch size by the input shape, so height, width, and number of channels. If I run this, we see that this particular tensor is of shape 1 by 3 by 4 by 1. So this one is for the batch and this one is for the channel, and then we have the um, height and width, so 3 rows and 4 columns. Next, for the kernel size, these are the dimensions that we need to specify. So one for batch, then we have a kernel of size 2 by 2, and then this one is for the channel. And so if we apply this kernel to this one, this particular uh, tensor, the way we would do that is if we are going to calculate the average of the four numbers, so 2 by 2 would be this 1 2 1 2, and if we try and get the average of that, 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, and then divide all of this by number 4, we get 1.5, and that is the output here, 1.5. And the strides that we have used here is just 1 1 1 1. Again, we can try another one. Let's try 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4, and 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4, and run this like like so, and we get an answer of 3.5, and that's what we see, the 3.5 in the output. So this is how we can use average pooling, where we are using a kernel to get the average values as we slide the kernel through the tensor. That was it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know. Thank you.